Hey guys, thanks for watching this short video. Today I'm going to give you an overview of the Virtual Coach Program by Eben Pagan. This program has not yet been released, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give you an overview of what's inside the program. So if you're interested, then you know exactly what this program is going to have for you. Now, this is everything you need to become a coach and launch your business in just 10 weeks. Whether you coach somebody in sports, somebody for business, for personal health, personal development, whatever type of coach you are, you can always use a system that automates your leads and allows you to charge a lot of money for your expertise. So, this is the program for you if you want to achieve that goal. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the creator of this program. This was created by Eben Pagan. He is an entrepreneur, teacher, business thought leader, coach, and investor, and he's built multiple businesses to over $1 million in revenue. Now, this program is perfect for you if you've always felt a special calling to help others and you've always dreamed about doing the kind of work that makes a real difference in people's lives, because that's exactly what coaches do. So, this is a comprehensive system to help you build a coaching practice that you truly love. And if you're just starting out, that's okay. You'll have everything you need to become a coach and launch your coaching practice in as little as 10 weeks. And if you're already a coach, perfect. You'll build a powerful system to make you an on demand coach and get all the clients you need from the internet. Now, the virtual coach system has 7 key parts. When you link them all together, they work in perfect synergy to create a next level coaching practice. A practice that has the power to transform lives all over the world, and at the same time, you get paid for your expertise. So let's go over all these different parts. Part one is your personal transformation. Now, this is where you become the best coach you can. You have access to the most powerful models for transformation, and this ensures that you know how to create success and transformation in yourself first so that you can coach others to do the same. You want to become the best coach so that you can coach others to become their best self. Now, part two is next level coaching. You're going to get a complete system for supporting your clients in action, transition, and personal transformation. So you help them to create major changes and positively impact their life. Guys, in order to make a personal transformation, you have to take baby steps. These are called transitions. So, through this complete system, you're going to have all this support to give to your clients so that they make small transitions so that they get to the end goal of their transformation. You're going to have the best tools, scripts, frameworks, so you know exactly what to say and do with your clients and can feel confident in any situation. And you're going to learn a step by step system showing how you can coach somebody else and help them to get great results. You're going to learn how to create your own client invitation that automatically attracts your ideal clients to you. And you get fill in the blank templates that are instantly going to create education based ethical marketing that will serve your client and make them want to work with you. And you're going to learn the most popular places to find these new clients online and how to position yourself so they come to you. Now, part four is about enrolling your clients. Here's where you're going to have to ask questions and present your coaching services in a way that feels natural, credible, and compelling to your clients. You don't want to sound salesy. You're going to offer long term coaching packages so you can sign up a client for 3 months, 6 months, and more. You want to sell packages. You don't want to sell a session because with packages is how you're going to build a transformation. A transformation that does not happen over one coaching call. This happens over a long period of time. So in order to do that, you have to sell packages not only to help your client, but to also get the most money for your time. And you serve your clients even during an enrollment call so they feel empowered, inspired, and ready to take action. Now, part five is the social media mastery. This is where you're going to build your email list from Facebook using a new marketing technique that gets you connected with real people who actually want to work with you. You're going to learn a simple 5 minute a day strategy to create massive engagement and lots of free traffic from social media to your website. And you're going to learn the same system used to get over 2.4 million likes on Facebook and turn many of them into paying clients. Social media is where everybody is, so this is where you want to be. You want to be in front of their eyes, and you're going to learn how to make this automated so that you don't have to be doing any of this work manually. In part six, you're going to learn about growing your business. You get access to an elite group of high paid coaches to teach you special sessions on key areas of building confidence, getting clients, and growing your coaching business. Each of these coaches has personally built a coaching practice between $100,000 and $1 million per year in revenue, and they'll be sharing their shortcuts for you. Now, this is massive, massive, because this is almost like having a personal mentor who has already achieved what you want to do. And you'll be getting the inside scoop from different niches, from health to relationships to business, etc. Now, part 7 is your coaching toolkit. Over here, you're going to be getting a set of 10 complete coaching tools you can use with your clients to help them get what they want and transform their lives. And you get a roadmap so you can use to outline each of your coaching sessions so your clients' conversations become easy, productive, and fun. And you're going to learn techniques you can use in some of the most common client situations so that you handle them with confidence and can actually help your students. Now, that's an overview of the virtual coaching program by Eben Pagan. It's going to be everything you need to become a coach and launch your business in just 10 weeks. Now, this is going to be launching very soon. So, if you want to get on the early bird list and get notified when it goes live and get some free unannounced bonuses, then I suggest you click the link below this video. We'll keep you on the loop, we'll keep you notified, and you'll be one of the first ones to know when this goes live. And that way you can get in before they close the program. So I hope you like the information in this video. I hope that overview gave you some information about the virtual coaching program. And again, if you want to be on the early bird list to know when this program goes live and get some free bonuses, click the link below this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.